After you have created a MILogin account and added miehdwis to your MILogin account, you will need to request access to miehdwis. Once requesting access through MILogin, you'll be taken to the miehdwis access request screen. This screen will have all of your MILogin information on it already. You will have to choose a program area, a reason for access, and describe your role. So for this example, we are going to choose the program area of community water supply. We are going to choose that we are an owner and administrator. And to describe my role, I want to make sure that I provide the name of my establishment and/or coverage area, along with a description of my primary role. So for this example, I am the OIC of Chris's test system. And I am the certifier. If, for example, you are a local health department employee or you own a campground and a septic hauler business, you can always add more than one program area in. Just make sure that we have a good description of your role so that we can provide you access. If we cannot determine your need for access, we will deny your request. In this example, we're just going to continue on with the community water supply owner administrator. And once you're set with what you have on this screen, click Request Access. Your request for access was successfully sent, and it will be reviewed by an administrator within 1 to 3 business days. Once you've been approved, you're ready to go and begin using the customer portal. Please take a look at our customer portal video next.